Have you ever wondered how far it is from your house to your school? Or how fast you are driving when you are on the highway? When we are driving, we need to be aware of our speed to ensure that we are traveling safely and within the legal speed limit. Because safety first. Athletes also need to be aware of their speed in order to improve their performance. But what is speed? So friends, speed, distance and time. These are the concepts in physics that are used in everyday life. By understanding this concept, we can better navigate the world around us. Today, we are going to learn about the concepts of speed, distance and time using the example of two cars racing. So, are you ready for some thrilling car races? Imagine two cars, car A and car B. They are both starting at the same point and the race starts. They are traveling to the finish line but they have different speeds. Car A quickly pulls ahead of car B. Car A is traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour, while car B is traveling at a speed of 40 km per hour. Now, let's take a closer look at the concepts. First is speed. The speed of a car tells us how quickly it moves from one place to another. Hence, the definition of speed is the rate at which an object travels over a certain distance. It is measured in units such as miles per hour or kilometer per hour. Now, let's talk about distance. Distance is simply how much ground the car covers in their race. Hence, distance is the total length of the path traveled by an object. It is measured in units such as miles, kilometers or meter. Now, let's introduce time. Time helps us to see how long things take. So, time is the duration of an event or the interval between two events. It is measured in units such as seconds, minutes or hours. Now, the thrilling part. Who wins the race? To find out, we use our trusty formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. But how do we apply the formula to this example? The distance is same for both cars. So, we can focus on the speed and time. Here you can see that car A is traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour while car B is 40 km per hour. This means car A will travel the same distance in less time car B. For example, if the distance to the destination is 100 km, for car A, speed is equal to 60 km per hour. Similarly, for car B, speed is equal to 40 km per hour. We have to calculate time required for each car. We know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. But here, we want to calculate time. So, time is equal to distance divided by speed. So that time required for car A is equal to 100 divided by 60, which is equal to 1.67 hours. On the other hand, for car B, time is equal to 100 divided by 40, which is equal to 2.5 hours to reach the destination. We see that car A covers the same distance in much less time than car B. That means car A has a greater speed and reaches the finish line first. Therefore, car A will win the race. Here is summary of the concept of speed, distance and time. First, speed is the rate at which an object travels over a certain distance. Second, distance is the total length of the path traveled by an object. Third, time is the duration of an event or the interval between two events. Fourth, the relationship between speed, distance and time is expressed in the following formula. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. There you have it. Remember, In the real world, we use this concept to understand everything from car races to space exploration. So stay curious and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more scientific adventures.